All right. So people asked to see how to troubleshoot networking problems to a cloud machine. Yeah, we'll do it in a minute, Zoom. Brendan, let me just do this demonstration first that someone's asked for. So here I have a Google Cloud. If I go here to Compute Engine instances, I've got a Google Cloud Debian 10 machine, and that's here. Okay, so I'm able to get here, and of course this is on the internet. I can tell by pinging 8.8.8.8. It's got to be on the internet. I know that because I'm controlling it remotely. But if I want to do some networking, I can use Netcat and start scanning. I'll start listening on 6666. So this is now listening for incoming traffic. And if I try to connect from here, I can do Netcat to this address. 6666, and it doesn't connect. The connection never comes up. It's not getting through. So something is wrong. And this is Netcat. This is use numbers instead of alphabetical names. This is listening. This is verbose, and that's the port number. So this is what I typically do as an easy way to set up a listener. So it's listening, but the traffic is not getting there. Another tool I like to understand what's happening is Nmap. So I can scan for that port number against the target, and it finds that that port is filtered, which means that the traffic is not reaching there. Something's in the way. And yeah, you can use man NC or NC-H. So there's a problem. So it's a firewall is usually what does this, cause the filtering. So since I'm using Google Cloud, it's the Google Cloud Firewall, which is down here in networking, VPC Network Firewall. So I can let through that traffic with creating a rule, and I'll call it allow 6666. And so I go here, I'll apply it to all the instances of my Google Cloud machines because I don't really care about letting a little extra traffic in. I take it from anywhere and put in 6666. Whoops, got to get sixes. All right, and now when I turn on that rule, it will appear here. Okay, now I have allowed 6666. So if I run that scan again, it now says the port is open. And if I run Netcat again, it picks up the connection. And if I send some data, the data should have gone through, and there it did. So now I've got two-way transmission and everything. Now I'm able to, and it's highly recommended that you do this before setting up any kind of software. Make sure you got the networking making it through to where you're going on whatever port you're using. It'll save you a lot of frustration. Good. I'll stop this recording and publish this one. That's fine. And then